Hi, if this is your first time here, we hope you'll consider subscribing, so we can grow this channel and continue to create new videos to help people earn extra money. Here's our short tutorial on how you can get your own QR code on GCash. First, open your GCash mobile app and log in using your 4-digit MPIN. Tap the QR icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Generate QR Code. Tap on Receive Money via QR Code. This is your QR code. You can optionally specify an amount for your QR code. To do this, tap on Add Amount. Enter the amount, then tap on Save. Your QR code is ready. You can download it as an image, saved in your gallery, or share it through email or any messenger app. You can also upload it to any shared folder. Do you have any questions about getting a GCash QR code? Drop us a line in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to support our channel. See you soon.